In these videos, you will learn English by looking at real-life pictures. We describe what's happening in each image, using simple words and clear sentences. This helps you build useful vocabulary and understand natural English. You will also learn how to talk about everyday situations with confidence. Along the way, we include basic grammar tips and common sentence patterns. Everything is spoken slowly and clearly, so it's easy to follow and repeat. This way, you can practice speaking, listening, and thinking in English, step by step. After listening to the text, we would like to hear from you. How would you describe this picture in your own words? Share your ideas in the comments and practice writing in English. Let's get started.
This picture shows a group of people learning how to save a life. They are in a training room, possibly in a hospital or a classroom. In the center of the image, there is a CPR dummy lying on the floor. It has pads attached to its chest, and there is a defibrillator nearby. A man in a red hoodie is speaking to the group. He is kneeling down and using his hands to explain something. He looks serious and focused. A woman in a white shirt and blue jeans is sitting near the dummy. She is listening carefully and looking at the instructor. Several other people are standing or sitting in a circle around them. They all seem to be paying attention. Some look curious, while others look serious. There are 8 people in total, including the instructor. The room is bright and clean. There are hospital beds and medical equipment in the background. This shows that they are likely learning first aid or emergency training. The picture gives a feeling of responsibility and teamwork. Everyone in the group wants to learn how to help in a real emergency. This kind of training is very important in everyday life. It can help people stay calm and act fast in dangerous situations. CPR can save someone who has stopped breathing or lost their heartbeat. Knowing how to use a defibrillator can also make a big difference. This photo reminds us how valuable education and preparation can be. Helping others in an emergency is a powerful skill. The group in the picture is learning, listening, and practicing together. They are building confidence and knowledge that can help save lives.